In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the face swap feature inside Pikzels AI to generate a thumbnail that stands out for any YouTube videos. So for this example, we're actually going to swap the face of a famous actor so that the image stands out to the viewers. That's something that they can recognize, but after the face swap, the image will look a bit odd, but it's going to grab the attention for people to click on. So for this example, we're going to use a training day scene where we're going to swap the face of Denzel Washington to give that, to make an older version of Denzel, but inside training day where he used to look young. So for this example, I'm going to just take this picture and we're going to save it. And we're going to go to Canva to process the image into a file that Pikzels will take. So inside Canva, I already have this image ready, but we have another face inside the image. So what we're going to do, we're going to crop it so that when we put this inside Pikzels, Pixel would know exactly which face to swap. We're going to hit share and we're going to hit download. Come back to Pikzels. We're going to go to face swap, hit upload, select the file we just generated, hit open, and here we can upload the face. Select the file we just generated, hit open. Now when you swap the face, it's going to take up to 3 credits, so hit to generate. Now let's wait for this to finish. Now we have the face completely swapped, and we can hit to download. And we're not done yet. We're going to hop back into Canva, and we're going to upload the file that we just generated. Drag it into Canva. We're going to size it. And we're going to drag the original file in here. I'm going to crop it so that they fit. Okay, now we have an image with Denzel Washington's face completely swapped. If we compare the image side by side, now if we compare the two images side by side, don't you think an image like this will get clicks? This image looks like something people recognize, but just a little bit off. That's the magic that Pikzels AI can help us do, is to create thumbnails that stands out to get clicks. And if you want to try out Pikzels, I got a link down in the description. Thanks for watching.